Welcome to Summit Automotive, your premier Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram dealership. And here's a look at one of our new vehicles from our huge selection of cars, trucks, and SUVs, and one of the biggest selections of Jeeps and Rams in the state. At Summit Automotive, our friendly and knowledgeable staff is here to ensure you get exactly what you want in your new vehicle. As a customer-first certified Chrysler dealer, we will show you how much you mean to us as our valued customer. We offer a wide variety of financing and leasing options and also offer full auto service and car repair so you can get the best care for your new vehicle. Come see us today and experience the satisfaction that comes with being a Summit Automotive customer. We're located at 815 South Rolling Meadows Drive in Fond Du Lac, Wisconsin.